you guys what I have for breakfast on the mornings where I am on the go. So this is a quick little recipe that I can make either the night before or first thing in the morning when I get up. So it's my jar of oats. So I pretty much just add everything into my jar, shake it up, and then I take it with me wherever I need to go. So what I will do is I'll have half a cup of rolled oats. I'll pop them straight into my jar. I then add a cacao powder because it's rich in magnesium. I add my protein powder, obviously because it's rich in protein. I use almond milk, that's my milk of choice. I use some peanut butter, I love peanut butter, but it's also rich in healthy fats. I will always add some form of nut in there, so I'm going to be having peanuts in this one, just crushed peanuts. That adds extra protein into my recipe. And then I always add pumpkin seeds because pumpkin seeds are really rich in zinc, which is a mineral we're often deficient in. I then choose blueberries as my berry of choice because I think they're delicious and they're super rich in antioxidants. So to make it, you literally just fill up your jar. So you layer everything up, you top it with your milk, you shake it up, pop it in the fridge and take it with you on the mornings when you are on the go.